if we're invited back by TVJ next year to cover champs, do we say that she goes for that 51-62 record by Christian Gordon?
Yeah, I absolutely agree.
This is promising to be one of the races of the championships. The Class 2 boys 400-meter final. We have got Myers, Allison, Barrett, Jones, Sharp, Pitter, the defending champion, Campbell, and Lawrence. This will be peppery.
All right, on screen, Dwayne Sharp, or Mr. Sharp. My understanding is that Sharp of Calabar and Pitter from Kingston College, who were, I'd say, pre-champs favorites, having done what, first, second last year, are actually friends from primary school.
Yep.
I think it was at Corporate Air Championships. I was speaking to one of the dads, and he's like, he wants his son to win, but he doesn't care because it's his son's friend.
Yeah.
And, they were like really tight like that. However, there's someone who's coming to upset the apple cart. We'll talk about him in a moment.
Lane number 8 from Jamaica College, O'Neill Lawrence.
Yeah, didn't get to qualify in the 400-meter hurdles, but here to represent JC in the final. 400.
Lane number 7 from Excelsior, we've got Jaden Campbell.
This man is a 400 hurdler, but he's about to prove to be a 400-meter runner.
Lane 6, the defending champion from Kingston College, Jason Pitter.
Mr. Too Cool for School, 47-24.
Lane 5, the Carifta Trials champion from Calabar, Dwayne Sharp.
He's there for Calabar, 46.97. He could very well win this.
Lane 4, Nicholas Jones from Lacovia.
Bronze last year, is now in the big final in Class 2, 48-22 in the semis.
Lane 3 from Rossi's, Tiana Barrett.
So he won at Western Champs only 48.59 to get to the semis, to the final.
Last in lane 2, the Class 3 gold medalist from last year, Rajiv Allison from Calabar.
Has come on in a big way this year, 48.51 in the semis.
Lane 1 completing the lineup, DeAndre Myers from Woolmers. The record 46.33 is under serious threat.
48.81, DeAndre Myers' time. Chris Taylor, the record holder, 46.33.
On your marks.
We have already seen 46.35 this year, this season by Pitter. However, he has lost to Sharp at the
Carifta Trials.
Carifta Trials. However, I still feel that Jaden Campbell in lane 7, Dwayne, could actually be the favorite.
Have to watch him.
Pitter, the defending champion, ran down Sharp to win the gold medal last year. Sharp flipped the script at the Carifta Trials this year.
Set.
In the set position. Set underway now. The first time of asking. This promises to be a cracker-jacker. Dwayne Sharp of Calabar goes to work early. The defending champion, Jason Pitter of Kingston College. There are the big two in the middle. On their outside from Excelsior, we have got Jaden Campbell, who makes an ominous move now. Pitter, Sharp, Campbell looking to be moving best of all at this stage. They leave the 150-meter marker now. Calabar's Dwayne Sharp comes calling now. Pitter, the reigning champion from Kingston College, is there. Jaden Campbell of Excelsior takes him off the top end. Jason Pitter, the reigning champion from Kingston College, steps into a higher gear now. He has got to retain the gold medal. Jason Pitter from Kingston College, 45.71. We have a new record. Stupendous. 45.76. The official time for Jason Pitter, retaining the Class 2 boys gold medal in the 400 meters. Jaden Campbell takes silver. What a performance! 46.74 for Campbell for the silver. Dwayne Sharp of Calabar gets bronze. 46.82. Oh, that looked like a run for the ages.
It was. That is as good as we can get. Many said in January this would be the race to watch. And then when Pitter ran 46.35 early in the season, they said the record 46.33. A Chris Taylor record in the 400 being broken. That says it all. Here we see Sharp of Calabar out fastest, catching up with Pitter, but Pitter looking really cool, really smooth. Jaden Campbell of Excelsior in lane 7 kicks right here at 200 meters. He says, I have the 400-meter hurdle strength. But Jason Pitter, as we come around the curve, says, I have the 200-meter speed. And this is when he goes into another gear. Head shifting left and right. At this point, I said, new record. And he went and becomes the first Class 2 boy to go sub 46 at Champs. 45.71. That one was a flash time. I think it's 74.76 is where they finally got it. Amazing performance. And I have to tell you, as great as the Class 1 boys are, and I suspect they're going to do really well, that time would be a Class 1 time right now. Amazing, Jason Pitter. You are the defending champion.